Do you think so? Put your head down and relax, little girl. We can't sit up yet. But we're gonna try. We're gonna try. Look at us try, Dad. We'll try again. Wanna try and sit up? Is that funny? Oh, now we're trying again. Trying to sit up. Miss Ladybug. Can we talk? Your mouth is moving, but nothing's coming out. There we go. Hi. Hi. Oh, more sitting up. Really? Can we tell Daddy you love him? Yeah? Say, I love you, Daddy. Yeah, good enough. Good enough. Oh, I'm a big girl. I want to sit up so bad.